Hi Aries, hope you all are doing well, and the card of the week for you is the Three of Cups, and which tells me that in this week you guys will be enjoying a lot, having fun and parties. And if you guys are waiting for some kind of reconciliation, like reconciliation maybe from your friend, maybe from your ex-partner, I do see that there are high chances that reconciliation will happen in this week for you. And rest, I do see that in this week you guys will be only enjoying, and I don't see any stress for you all. So good luck and thank you. Hi Leo, hope you all are doing well. The card of the week for you is the Star, and which tells me that you guys are more focused on your healing process this week. Maybe something might have happened in your recent past, some breakup or separation, fights, or your personal struggles, or maybe some career related issues. You guys are now finding balance and peace of mind in this week. And if you have any dreams which you want to be fulfilled, I do see that that's gonna fulfill very soon once your healing process will get over. So yes, good luck and thank you, Leo. Hi Sagittarius, hope you all are doing well, and the card of the week for you is the Nine of Cups, and which tells me that in this week you guys will be feeling very happy, very satisfied, like whatever you are having, wherever you are in your life currently, you guys are just satisfied and happy and having the peace of mind. You guys are enjoying your moments. You are like, I'm done with my life and I have everything. I'm happy whatever I'm having right now. This kind of energy I do see for you, Sagittarius, and this is very positive one. And yes, this is what I'm having for you. All the best and thank you. Hi Pisces, hope you all are doing well, and the card of the week for you is the Magician, and which tells me that you will be very powerful in this week, like a magician. Magician is a person who has all his power, all his skills, all his knowledge, all his resources, and you are the same. You know everything, you have everything, your resources, your skills, and you can create anything you want, your wishes. So if you will see in this card, in this illustration, you will see this magician and this white light. This white light denotes the power of his mind and how he is applying his power of his mind to the work he's creating. So you are the same. You can use your power of your mind and create anything you have. Just remember, you have all the power and all the resources and skills, so just use it in this week. So good luck and thank you. Hi Scorpio, hope you all are doing well, and the card of the week for you is the Eight of Wands, and which tells me that this week is gonna go very fast. If you guys are waiting for some kind of message or communication, maybe in terms of your relationships, your partner, ex, friend, or career related, I do see communication will come towards you in this week. And also I do see a traveling happening. But if you will see in this card, the illustration, if you will see here how these wands are moving so fast and in one direction, but they are also maintaining their proximity with each other. So try to maintain your emotions and logic together. Don't let your emotions too high, or don't let your logic get too high. Just try to maintain that, that's all. So yes, good luck and thank you. Hi Cancer, hope you all are doing well, and the card of the week for you is the Two of Swords, and which tells me that in this week you guys will be feeling stuck, feeling unsure. You guys won't be knowing what to do next, what to act regarding any situation, whatever you are facing right now in your life. So if you will see in this card, in this illustration, you will see how this woman is being blindfolded and how these two swords are being crossed with each other, which tells that how she's, how she doesn't know how to act, and what next step should she take to move forward. She is unsure, she cannot see what's happening. So try to be relaxed and don't get any mixed signal or mixed thoughts to make you feel this stuck. And yes, this is what I'm having for you, Cancer. All the best and thank you. Hi Chris, hope you all are doing well, and the card of the week for you is the Nine of Wands, and which tells me that maybe in the past you might have mistrusted someone, and now you are being defensive for yourself, and you guys are now setting the boundaries around yourself. Because if you will see in this card, in this illustration, you will see how this man is setting the boundaries, and he's so exhausted with all the battles and with all the struggles he's been facing through, but still he's not giving up. So the same thing the card is saying you to not to give up, whatever the battles, whatever the struggles you are facing currently in your life. Just don't give up, because things will be fine and you will win, of course. So good luck and thank you. Hi Gemini, I hope you all are doing well, and the card of the week for you is the Moon, and which tells me that in this week many of you will feel some kind of insecurity, some kind of fear, and you guys won't be able to see the brighter side of the things. You guys will be only seeing the darker side of the things. So just try to remember that whatever you guys are facing, feeling, or thinking, these everything are illusion. These are not the reality. So just try to maintain the thoughts of your mind and just let this week pass, and just maintain the peace and the your thoughts in this week. So good luck and thank you. Hi Libra, hope you all are doing well, and the card of the week for you is the 10 of Cups. So what else should I say? Such a positive card you have gotten, and in this week you guys will be feeling so happy, so satisfied, so fulfilled. Maybe if you are waiting for some kind of result, I do see you guys achieving it, and your relationship, your personal life, your peace of mind, your career, everything will be so in balance, and so you guys will be just happy in this week. So enjoy this week. That's all. Thank you so much. Hi Capricorn, hope you all are doing well, and the card of the week for you is the Emperor, and which tells me that in this week you guys will be feeling very rationally and less emotionally, and also I feel that you guys will be also following your rules, your maintaining your discipline and being protective for yourself, for your loved ones. And in this week I also feel that you guys will be showing your power, you guys will be in your power. So just enjoy this week and also your power. So thank you and good luck. Hi Taurus, hope you all are doing well, and the card of the week for you is the Wheel of Fortune, and which is the card of good luck and karma. So if you're waiting for some kind of news, some kind of a message in terms of your career, relationship, or your own personal healing, I do see things are working in your favor in a positive way. Also a sudden positive change can also happen in your life, and of course good luck is on your side because it's a card of Wheel of Fortune, and it's all about good luck. And if you have done some good things in your life, some good karma, you will get the good things in return of that. How karma works. So this is what I'm saying for you, Taurus. So good luck and thank you. Hi Virgo, hope you all are doing well, and the card of the week for you is the Six of Pentacles, and which tells me that I do feel that in this week you guys will be feeling very generous towards the people, and you guys will be helping many people, and I also feel that you will also receive some kind of help, some kind of support, emotional support, and also people will feel generous towards you. So this week is all about balance and give and take, equal give and take energies. So just be generous and keep on helping. You will be also helped, and you will be also loved in this week. So thank you and good luck, Virgo.